Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a pizza, homemade pizza. So let's start. So these are the ingredients you need to prepare pizza, and I am going to prepare a brown bread pizza. So it's a store bought. So let's start. First of all, you need to saute all the veggies so that it doesn't make you feel it's raw. So I'm going to saute it with a little oil with some salt and pepper. You can just saute the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. I'm going to start adding onions. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. You do not have to overcook it. And basically this recipe is going to be a healthy one because I have used a brown pizza base, that's wheat pizza base. So I hope this recipe is useful for you guys too. I'm going to add salt and pepper to enhance the taste of the veggies. Likewise, I'm going to quickly saute all the veggies one by one. I'm done with my veggies now, so let's start preparing pizza. Firstly, I'm going to spread the pizza sauce on top of the pizza base, and this is a homemade pizza sauce, and I'll link down the pizza sauce recipe in the description box below. You can check it out. And then I'm going to add some cheese on top of the pizza sauce. I love lots of cheese on my pizzas, so I'm going to top it up with some cheese before adding the veggies. Now I'll be adding all the veggies. By the way, this pizza base is a store-bought pizza base. It's a wheat pizza base, and I want to make this dish more healthy, so I preferred this. You can even go for white pizza base. I love lots of toppings on my pizzas, so I don't mind making it messy, and it's your wish to top it according to your wish. So believe me guys, it looks yummy when you add lots of cheese with lots of veggies. And by the way, it's a homemade pizza. After adding cheese at the end, and I'm going to add chili flakes and oregano, and finally I'm going to drop some oil on top of it. Meanwhile, I'm going to preheat my oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. My pizza is now ready to go into the oven, so let's place it in the oven. I'm going to set the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. My pizza is done now. Please be careful while handling the oven, guys. The homemade yummy pizza is ready now. I hope this video is useful for you guys too. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.